Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So we all know that how much it is important for we women keep our intimate area always clean. Now most of the time we always end up applying soap on our intimate area, which is a big no-no. It just imbalance the pH level of our intimate area. So it is always suggested to clean our intimate area with a proper intimate wash that can maintain the proper pH balance of our intimate area. So today I'm going to talk about one intimate wash that I am currently using and I just loving the effect, and that's why I thought to do this video to share my experience using that product. Now the product that I'm going to talk in this video is Namia Natural Skincare Intimate Hygiene Wash, which has haldi and chandan. So this is the product that I'm going to talk about. First let me talk about the price of this product. This one is priced rupees 350 and you are going to get 100 ml of product, and this is how the packaging of the intimate wash look like. And let me just open it. It comes up in a flip cap opening like so. For extra precaution so that it doesn't spill out, this comes up with this cap also. So the packaging wise, this intimate wash is really travel friendly and you can carry it anywhere. So this is all about the packaging regarding this intimate wash. Now let's move on to little bit more information regarding this intimate wash. Now this intimate wash is all from the brand Namia. Now if you are new to this brand, then let me tell you, Namia is one brand whose products are paraben and sulfate free. Their products are also free from harmful chemicals and animal testing. Namia is an 100% made in India company, and I have also provided the link of this product in the description box below in case you want to buy or check it out this product. So don't forget to check out my description box. Now moving on to little bit more info regarding this intimate wash, and let me first talk about the fragrance. It has a very mild fragrance, and let me show you the texture of this intimate wash. As you can see, the color of this intimate wash is yellow. It just because that this intimate wash claimed by Namia having ingredients like turmeric oil, sandalwood oil, cucumber fruit extract, pomegranate fruit extract, aloe betaine, and many more ingredients in this intimate wash. This intimate wash is actually very mild. It doesn't create any kind of itchiness or dryness after using it on our intimate area. As this intimate wash is free from all kinds of parabens, soap and SLS, it maintains the proper hygiene in our intimate area without imbalancing the pH level of our intimate area. I really like this intimate wash, and that's why I thought to recommend this intimate wash to everyone, to let you know that Namia have a very good intimate wash. If you are looking for something mild, free from all kind of parabens, SLS or soap free product for your intimate area, then do check out this Namia Skincare Intimate Wash. So that's complete my today's video. I hope you like this video and find it helpful. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and please leave your lovely comment in the comment section below, which means the world to me, and I always love to read all the comments that I get in my each video. So please leave your lovely comments in the comment section below, and I promise to see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful, stay stylish, and yes, do maintain your personal hygiene. Bye.